There's the part number. They're universally researched by the number 14104. But there's the whole Amazon part number. Or other online outlet. 14104. And to remove the clip, while the end of the linkage is still on the car, you want to flip it up, roll it upside down, and these outer clips have a little lip on them on the inside. You gotta get a screwdriver in there and pry one side up and then pry the other side up, and then the whole thing will just pop off. I have a 2006 Chevy Malibu 3.4 liter max LT, and the shift linkage bushing, it came out. I assume because it's in the engine compartment, probably dried out and broke. And to get home, I just put it back on the shift rod. And if I did any like backing up, if I didn't ease it in the reverse, it would just pop out again. I got it home, and this is the new bushing. I got a pack on Amazon. There's the old clips in there. That's the clip that holds it to this right here. Where is it? That right there. It's the old one. And I got 4 of them for $4.99. So I got 2 sets. What I mean is I got 2 sets. That's 4 bushings and 2 clips for $4.99 on Amazon. And I think like Advance Auto wants like $22 for just 1 set. And so I have like Prime, so I got it in a day. I got it next day. So the secret to getting this in there is to get one side in, and if you try to keep pushing down, it's never going to go in. What you got to do, I use this pry tool. Plastic is the key word, because you don't want to puncture the bushing. So what you have to do is you have to push in and then down. So you have to actually, since it's hollow in the center, you can push it in because it will deform a little bit, and then at the same time you push down, it goes right in. I did use some silicone. I don't know if you need to use that or not. And when you take this off, you have to pry this clip off. There's a spring inside here that will come out. You don't want to lose that. So there it is. There's a spring. There it is installed. And if you have it in park, you want to make sure you put the gear in park, or put the selector in park. Park's all the way up, then I think it's reverse, and then the drive gears. So you want to make sure your shifter's in the right slot or whatever. And you also want to either cover your battery with something like a towel so you don't accidentally short it out. A long time ago, when I first started working on cars, I welded a screwdriver to the frame. It went on the positive. The battery's still connected, and it went on the positive. It was a top terminal, and it hit the top terminal in the frame, and luckily it bounced up and disconnected, or it would have just probably shorted the whole battery out. It could have exploded. But throw a towel over to either that or remove the battery. I removed the battery.